Mamata Banerjee, it appears, has made a statement saying that she's not supporting the Congress in the state of West Bengal this election. Massive rift, as we see here, within the India bloc allies, as Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee makes this big remark. Mamata vowing to support the India camp only in the centre if they do come to power. In fact, this allegation comes on the sidelines of Mamata believing and reiterating time and again that the CPIM and the Congress are collectively helping BJP come to power or gain more seats in a state like West Bengal this Lok Sabha. Here's her retort. Have a listen.
তাই জেনে রেখে দিন ইন্ডিয়া জোট এখানকার বাংলা সিপিএম কংগ্রেসকে ধরবেন না ও দুটো আমাদের সাথে নেই ও দুটো বিজেপির সাথে আছে আমি দিল্লির কথা বলছি ইন্ডিয়া জোটকে নেতৃত্ব দিয়ে বাইরে থেকে সব রকম সাহায্য করে আমরা সরকার গঠন করে দেব যাতে বাংলায় আমার মা বোনদের কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয় আমার 100 দিনের কাজে কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়
ममता जी हमारी दीदी है ममता जी भी हमारे साथ लड़ाई में शामिल है वो भी नरेंद्र मोदी अमित शाह की तानाशाही के खिलाफ अकेली लड़ रही है वो हमारे साथ ही रहेंगी चाहे अंदर हो या बाहर हो ममता जी हमारी दीदी है और वो दीदी ही रहेंगी
Mamata Banerjee has been quite clear. In fact, right from the start, she hasn't really announced an alliance of sorts within the state of West Bengal. No alliance in West Bengal with the Congress party, and that's been clear right from the start. Even now, Mamata Banerjee reiterating that her support will only be to the India bloc at the centre if they do come to power, but in the state, there is no association with the Congress. Listen in.
তাই জেনে রেখে দিন ইন্ডিয়া জোট এখানকার বাংলা সিপিএম কংগ্রেসকে ধরবেন না ও দুটো আমাদের সাথে নেই ও দুটো বিজেপির সাথে আছে আমি দিল্লির কথা বলছি ইন্ডিয়া জোটকে নেতৃত্ব দিয়ে বাইরে থেকে সব রকম সাহায্য করে আমরা সরকার গঠন করে দেব যাতে বাংলায় আমার মা বোনদের কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয় আমার 100 দিনের কাজে কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়
All right. Well, we're going to try and patch Indrajit Kundu, but that's a clear message coming in from Mamata Banerjee, appearing as if there seems to be an evident rift within the India bloc allies, especially when it comes to the equation between the TMC and the Congress in the state of West Bengal hasn't been the best. In fact, Mamata Banerjee believes that the Congress has been helping the BJP on the sidelines to beat and defeat the TMC cadre on ground this Lok Sabha election. So she holds that grouse and in anger has spoken. This is her statement that comes right ahead of the 5th phase of Lok Sabha elections. Let me cut across to Shishir Bajoria, joining us on the phone line of the BJP. Mr. Shishir, please tell us more on Mamata Banerjee's statement as she says, support only to India bloc at the centre, not locally.
Let's start from the very beginning. First, she took credit that she has coined the name of this so-called equation, so-called. Then she said they attended some meetings. Then she decided to move away from it. Now she said outside of West Bengal. In West Bengal, CPM and Congress are helping BJP. So we will not. Now she says I will not even be in the government. I'll support from outside. See, the fact is, they are not going to be anywhere in the government. So whether she's in the government, out of the government is not an issue. But the point is very clear. The infighting in this so-called Gathbandhan is now very evident. One more point when she says that CPM and Congress are helping BJP. They are saying, she is saying that these two are helping BJP. CPM is saying Trinamool is helping BJP. Everybody acknowledges the fact that BJP in West Bengal is rapidly rising and we are going to come with very good high numbers. So now everybody is trying to explain, blaming the other for, but we are winning because of the people's support for BJP.
You know, but what she says is the BJP is becoming stronger thanks to the Congress and the CPIM. This is her statement, but how does the BJP look at it?
BJP looks at only one thing. We are strong all India and in West Bengal only on one reason, not on any political party because of the voters of India, the people of India. Their support. They are supporting us by raising both the hands. They are supporting us. जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में दो हाथ उठा करके हमको समर्थन कर रहा है. This is how we are winning, not because of any political party.
All right. Thanks very much. Shishir Bajoria, BJP leader from West Bengal, joining us on the phone line. Indrajit is patched with us. Indrajit, over to you. Mamata Banerjee's statement right ahead of the 5th phase of Lok Sabha elections. Does it really hurt the image of the India alliance?
Well, Nabila, there hasn't been much of a change in the Trinamool Congress or Mamata Banerjee's position vis-a-vis the India alliance. She has categorically stated a few months back that she's not part of the India alliance here in West Bengal. So in West Bengal, the Trinamool Congress, there is no India alliance, or rather we can say they are the India alliance, because they are saying that the CPIM and the Congress are working on behest of the BJP here in West Bengal. And all that boils down to the tirade that we've seen coming in from West Bengal Congress President Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, many of which has been blamed for the rift in equations between the Congress and the Trinamool here in West Bengal. And that's precisely the reason why the Trinamool believes that the India alliance didn't come through in the state. Because they say that Mamata Banerjee was very much keen on tying up with the Congress, provided the condition was that the Congress will break its ties with the left in West Bengal. The left and the Congress are together in West Bengal, but the Trinamool went solo. They said Akla Chalo Re. So therefore, at this backdrop, there doesn't seem to be much of a change in position as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned. But what has surprised many is the fact that Mamata Banerjee is now saying, with 3 more phases to go, she's now saying that there will be an India coalition government at the center, and she would be providing outside support to the India coalition. That has surprised many, because if she's part of the India coalition on the national level, then she should be part of the government. Why is it that Mamata Banerjee is suddenly saying that she will be providing outside support to the India coalition is something that a lot of people are asking. Why has such a comment come?
All right. I'm going to ask you to stay with us. Chirag Paswan, in fact, has spoken on Mamata Banerjee's reaction on the India alliance offering outside support. Here's what he said.
बार बार हम बोल रहे हैं कि इंडिया अलायंस की नीति ही क्लियर नहीं है, इन लोगों की नीयत ही क्लियर नहीं है। एक आम आदमी पार्टी है जो दिल्ली में कांग्रेस के खिलाफ, कांग्रेस के साथ मिलकर चुनाव लड़ रही है, और पंजाब में उन्हीं के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ रही है। ममता बनर्जी जी जिनके खिलाफ चुनाव लड़कर जीत कर आएंगी, जीतने के बाद उन्हीं को समर्थन देने की बात कर रही हैं। तो ये भानुमति का कुनबा नहीं है तो और क्या है? किसी की कोई नीति नहीं है, किसी की कोई नीयत नहीं है, किसी की कोई विचारधारा नहीं है। सबको महत्वाकांक्षा है कि एक दूसरे का गला काटकर कैसे हम सत्ता के समीप पहुंच जाएं।
All right, that's Chirag Paswan of the Lok Janshakti Party, Bihar.